ultimate summer food fair. 3 days of incredible food and fun. The Gilroy Garlic Festival. Like I said, it's going on this weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday from 10 a.m. until 7 p.m. They, 4 tons of calamari, 2 tons of scampi, and they also use 2 tons of fresh Christopher Ranch garlic throughout the weekend. Amazing stuff. Of course, you know, plenty of food out there, plenty of garlicky food, garlic fries,
beautiful
garlic
bush.
scampi, garlic mushrooms, garlic pepper steak. I feel like I'm talking here, but it's a lot of fun if you haven't done it.
Look back
It's
up.
the kind of thing that you go down like Thursday night or Friday night. When it's over, you book a room somewhere near there because traffic is terrible, I will tell you that. But getting there and being there is, oh gosh, it's just absolutely so much fun. And it's a gastronomic experience, that's for sure. The Gilroy Garlic Festival going on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. More Light Rock with less talk coming up at 96.5 KOIT.
Hi, I'm Michael. I'm a barista at Starbucks. You can take a classic Frappuccino, and if you add a shot with caramel sauce, it's called caramel